children, all the students should take your text and notebook. Page number 128. Fourth question. Look at the calendar sheet and answer the questions. Look at the calendar sheet and answer the questions. First question. I play tennis for 2 hours every Saturday. How many hours will I play this month? Look on that calendar. That Saturday, how many Saturdays are there? Yes, 4 Saturdays are there. In one Saturday, I will play 2 hours. So, how many Saturdays are there? Total 4 Saturdays. So, 4 into 2. 4 into 2, how many hours? 4 twos are 8. Then, I watch television every day for 25 minutes. എല്ലാ ദിവസവും 25 minutes TV കാണാറുണ്ട്. How many minutes of television will I watch this month? Change this to higher units. One day I will watch TV at 25 minutes. We know that in the month of June, how many days are there? Yes, 30 days are there in the month of June. 30 days. So, how many minutes of television will I watch this month? How will do that? That is 30 into 25 minutes. 25 minutes into 30. 25 into 30. 25 into 30 means 25 into 3. Then add 1, 0. 5 3s are 50. Write 5 here. 1 is carrying over 2. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1, 7. So total how many minutes are there? 750 minutes. Total 750 minutes. So how many minutes I watch TV on the month of June? Yes, 750 minutes. Then how will convert minute into hours? How will convert? This 750 is dividing with 60. We know that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So to convert minute to hours, we should divide the given number with 60. So 750 divided by 60. 60 in 75. How many times? 1 time. 60 into 1, 60. Then subtract. 5 minus 0, 5. 7 minus 6, 1. Then bring down 0. Then 60. 60 in 150. How many times? Yes, 2 times. 60 into 2. 120. Then 0 minus 0, 0. 5 minus 2, 3. So how many hours and how many minutes? 12 hours. 12 hours and 30 minutes. Okay. 12 hours, 30 minutes. I watch TV on the month of June. How many full weeks are there in June? Full week means 7 days. 1 week, we know that 1 week is equal to 7 days. Look on this calendar. How many weeks are there? Yes, 3 full weeks are there. 3 full weeks are there. With the help of the calendar for June, write the day for the following dates. 12 May 2016. 12 May. 12 May 2016. That is Sunday. Then 20 May 2016. That is on Monday. Then 28 May 2016. 28. 28 is on Tuesday. 18 July 2016. That is Saturday. How many Thursdays are there in June? How many Thursdays? Look there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 Thursdays are there in June. If I have dance class every Friday for 1 hour, How many hours of dance class will I have in June 2016? How many Fridays are there? 4 Fridays. So how many hours are there that dance class? Total 4 hours. Then next one, number stories. Anand arrived half an hour early for the 11:45 a.m. train. At what time did he arrive? അപ്പം 11:45 ട്രെയിനിന് പോകാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് ആനന്ദ് അരമണിക്കൂർ നേരത്തെ എത്തി. അങ്ങനെയാണെങ്കിൽ അരവിന്ദ് എത്തിയ ടൈം എത്രയാണ്? എത്ര മണിക്കാണ് അരവിന്ദ് എത്തിയത്? അതിനെന്ത് ചെയ്യണം? 11:45 നിന്ന് 30 മിനിറ്റ്സ് സബ്ട്രാക്ട് ചെയ്യണം. ഹാഫ് ആൻ അവർ മീൻസ് 30 മിനിറ്റ്സ്. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So half hour is equal to 60/2, that is 30 minutes. The time of the train. The time of the train. 11:45. Anand arrives half an hour early. Half hour. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So half hour is equal to 30 minutes. Therefore, the time that Anand arrived. ആനന്ദ് എത്തിയ സമയം, that is 11:45 minus 30 minutes. 11 hours 45 minutes. 11:45 means 11 hours 45 minutes minus 30. 5 minus 0, 5. 4 minus 3, 1. Then 11. So Anand arrived at 11:50 a.m. 11:50 a.m. Okay. Anand arrived half an hour early for 11:45 a.m. train. At what time did he arrive? That is, the time of the train 11:45. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So half hour equal to 30 minutes. The time that Anand arrived equal to 11:45 minus 30 minutes. That is 11 hours 45 minutes minus 30 minutes. 5 minus 0, 5. 4 minus 3, 1. Then 11. So 11:50 a.m. Second question. Lalitha was born on Christmas Day, which is on 25th December. Her friend was born 3 weeks later. When is her friend's birthday? ലളിത ജനിച്ചത് എന്താണ്? ഡിസംബർ 25th, ക്രിസ്മസ് ഡേ ആണ് ജനിച്ചത്. അവളുടെ ഫ്രണ്ട് ജനിച്ചത് 3 weeks ലേറ്റർ, 3 weeks കൂടെ കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ടാണ്. അങ്ങനെയാണെങ്കിൽ എന്നാണ് ഫ്രണ്ടിൻ്റെ ബർത്ത്ഡേ? We know that 1 week is equal to how many days? 7 days. So 2 weeks 14 days, 3 weeks 21 days. So we can count 21 days from 25th December. 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. So 6 days പോയി. ബാക്കി എത്രയുണ്ട്? 15 days ഉണ്ട് അല്ലേ? 31, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. 21 minus 6, 11 minus 6. Borrow 1 from 2, 2 become 1. This one became 11. 11 minus 6, 5. Then 15. So next month, January 15. Birthday of her friend is January 15. ആദ്യം എന്ത് ചെയ്യണം? December. We know that 1 week is equal to 7 days. 2 weeks, 14 days. 2 sevens are 14. 3 weeks, 3 sevens are 20. Then we can count the 21 from this 25. 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. We know that December has how many days? 31 days. So 6 days gone from that December. Then next remaining days 15. 21 minus 6, 15. So birthday of her friend is January 15. John finished his exam at 3:30 p.m. The duration of the exam was 1 hour 30 minutes. At what time did he begin? John exam എഴുതി കഴിഞ്ഞത് എപ്പോഴത്തേക്കാണ്? 3 hours 3:30 p.m. The duration of examൻ്റെ ടൈം 1 hour 30 minutes ആണ്. അങ്ങനെയാണെങ്കിൽ ഏത് ടൈമിലാണ് എക്സാം സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്തത്? അപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ എന്ത് ചെയ്യണം? 3:30 p.m. മീൻസ് 3 hours 30 minutes minus 1 hour 30 minutes. 3 hour 30 minutes minus 1 hour 30 minutes. 0 minus 0, 0. 3 minus 3, 0. 3 minus 1, 2. So 2 hours 0 minutes. That is 2 o'clock, 2 p.m. Understood? That is the exam finished at 3:30 p.m. That is 3 hours 30 minutes. The duration of the exam was 1 hour 30 minutes. Then subtraction. 3 hours 30 minutes minus 1 hour 30 minutes. So we get 2 hours. So the time, I will write the time 2 p.m. Which time? At 2 p.m. exam begin. Abdul's journey lasted 3 hours 40 minutes. Salim's lasted 2 hours 20 minutes. How much longer did Abdul's journey take? അതായത് അബ്ദുളിൻ്റെ യാത്ര അവസാനിച്ചത് 3 hours 40 മിനിറ്റിലും സലീംസിൻ്റെത് 2 hours 20 മിനിറ്റിലുമാണ്. അപ്പോൾ സലീംസിനേക്കാളും എത്ര കൂടുതൽ ടൈം അബ്ദുൾ എടുത്തു? അതിന് നമ്മൾ ഇവിടെ എന്താ ചെയ്യേണ്ടത്? സബ്ട്രാക്ഷൻ. 3 hours 40 minutes minus 2 hours 20 minutes. Three hours 40 minutes minus 2 hours 20 minutes. That is 0 minus 0, 0, 4 minus 2, 2, 3 minus 2, 1. So 1 hour 20 minutes. 1 hour 20 minutes. Asha was 8 years old on 12th January 1979. When was her 5th birthday? January 12, 1979 ആശയുടെ 8th ബർത്ത്ഡേ. അങ്ങനെയാണെങ്കിൽ 5th ബർത്ത്ഡേ എന്നായിരുന്നു? അപ്പോൾ നമുക്കറിയാം 8 minus 3 ആണ്. 8 minus 3 അല്ലെങ്കിൽ 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. 8 minus 5 is equal to the difference 3 years. So we can subtract 3 from 1979. So 9 minus 3, 6. So her 5th birthday was on January 12th January 1976. Okay. From this word problem, this much 5 questions enough. So thank you.